11 reasons why you should drink coffee every day. Coffee. Every normal adult has had a cup of coffee at least once. It is consumed everywhere, and if we are to believe the number of Starbucks stores in the United States alone, in 2012, there were 10,924. It is clear that we love our caffeine. And that's good. In fact, there are many advantages to being in the majority of the population and drinking coffee every day. Coffee is great for the brain, skin, and body. Here are 11 reasons why you should wake up every morning smelling great coffee. 1. Coffee is the primary source of antioxidants. According to a study from 2005, no food comes close to coffee when it comes to antioxidants. Of course, fruits and vegetables are also extremely rich in matter, but it seems that the human body absorbs a lot more antioxidants from coffee. 2. Just smelling coffee can be stress-relieving. Researchers at Seoul National University examined the brains of stressed rats, caused by lack of sleep, and found in the brains of subjects exposed to aromas of coffee that stress-related proteins reacted. For information, this aroma study is not related to stress per se, but to stress caused by a lack of sleep. So we can't advise you with certainty to keep a bag of roasted coffee beans on your bedside table, but nothing prevents you from trying. 3. Coffee is great for the liver, especially if you drink alcohol. A study published in 2006 of 125,000 people for 22 years showed that people who drank at least 1 cup of coffee a day reduced their chances of developing cirrhosis of the liver, an autoimmune disease caused by drinking, by 20%. Excessive alcohol with symptoms of hepatocellular insufficiency, malfunction of the liver, and cancer. Arthur L. Klatsky, who led the study, told The Guardian, "Coffee consumption appears to have protective effects against alcoholic cirrhosis, and the more coffee a person drinks, the less likely they are to be hospitalized or to die of alcoholic cirrhosis." 4. Coffee would reduce the chances of developing skin cancer. Boston's Brigham and Women's Hospital and Harvard School of Medicine have followed 112,897 men and women over a period of more than 20 years and, according to their findings, women drinking at least 3 cups of coffee per day are much less prone to developing skin cancer than those who do not drink it. 5. Coffee is said to reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Coffee also reduces the risk of type 2 diabetes, according to a study by the American Chemical Society. Researchers found that people who drank 4 or more cups of coffee a day reduced their chances of developing type 2 diabetes by 50%. Thereafter, with each additional cup, the risk is further reduced by 7%.